In the first rejected video, we removed the restart button because people kept losing their checkpoint progress. Then in video number 7, we removed the exit button because people kept accidentally exiting the level. And then in video number 9, we removed the home functionality because people kept accidentally closing software. Then in video 11, we welded the cartridge slot shut since it kept opening and losing people's progress.
And then, we covered the switch with Dargonite so that people won't break it.
And then we made it waterproof.
Then, we blocked the controllers in different colors of Joy-Cons. Now, they will cut it with a buzzsaw. We decided to make the Dargonite uncuttable so not even a buzzsaw can cut it.